Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm really happy to be back after a month that I took how do you say, off? Yeah, I don't know. But John and I were traveling for 2 weeks. That's why I wasn't very active here. We went to Arizona, Nevada, and California, so it was a really fun trip. We did a lot of fun stuff that I'll be showing you right now on the screen. I did a lot of things. I don't think I can show you everything because that will be a total video. But anyway, I'm back in New York. It's super hot and humid. That's why my hair is crazy. That's why I look sweaty, because I turned off the fan in order to don't have noise around. But I'm sweating right now. So I wanted to show you what I'm gonna do today. I'm working on some postcards right here. I did them with watercolors, so they are original. They are the only ones. And I use the blog from Strathmore. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. And you can buy it like this, and you can personalize your own postcards with watercolor. So I decided to do that with, New York thing. And I'll show you. Sorry about the mess, but I was working the whole weekend. I'm so happy to be back, so I'm using my desk so much because I missed it. So here I have the Times Square. I really like this one. I have Dumbo, and have a with a view of New York. So I'm gonna be selling this on Etsy. By the time you watch this video, they are gonna be up there, but this is gonna be the only package. It's gonna be a package of 5. They're original, so they're the only ones in the world like this. And I hope you like them. Please let me know if you want me to do more of this, because I have a whole blog that I can use right now, but I'm not sure that you are into it or not. But anyway, you can go check them out on my Etsy shop. And thank you so much, guys, for staying here with me even when I don't upload videos very often. I promise I'm trying to change that, but I have so much stuff going on that I forget. But anyway, let's work on this and give me company.
Ya sabes que el diablo sale más por viejo que por diablo. Yo fui al doctor y me flores a comprarlas a la farmacia. Ah, bueno, pues ya está.